Do you have yellow teeth and you feel underconfident while taking photos and smile on the camera? Then keep watching this video because I'm gonna tell you two main reasons why it happens, and second is the most common. Watch till end. First reason can be poor oral hygiene. We should do brush twice a day, morning after waking up or having our breakfast. Teeth get cleaned if we do brush before sleeping. पीपल यूजली डू कि लोग रात को ब्रश नहीं करते हैं एंड ऐसे ही सो जाते हैं, एंड दिस इज़ वॉट where germs and bacteria grow. And second most common can be when people say मैं तो ब्रश 2 टाइम करता हूँ, मैं तो बहुत अच्छे से ब्रश करता हूँ, मगर स्टिल मेरे दांत क्यों येलो हैं. दिस इज़ वाई वी डू ओवर ब्रश. वी डू ब्रश 2 to 3 minutes. समटाइम लोग 5 मिनट ब्रश करते हैं एंड दे do brush very aggressively. We do brush as this motion with over grinding and vigorously, doing brush. Our top layer of the teeth get, wipe off, and second layer of teeth get exposed, due to which ultimately we see yellow teeth. In most common reason why people notice they have yellow teeth. If you want how we can prevent this, do let me know in the comments. I will make separate video on how we can prevent this. Let me know other questions about your teeth, gum health, and I will surely consider each of the comment. And I hope you find this video informative. Like, share and subscribe for more.